Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something that's on everyone's mind: how to make money fast in 2024. Whether you're looking to pay off some bills, save up for something special, or just boost your income, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through simple and legit ways to make money. And the best part is that anyone can do them. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear plan on how to start making money quickly, without needing any special skills or a huge upfront investment. Let's kick things off with one of the fastest ways to start earning: freelancing your skills online. If you've got a talent, whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or even voiceover work, there's a platform ready to pay you for it. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to sign up, create a profile, and start offering your services. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to make money because you can often get paid as soon as a job is completed. Plus, the more work you do, the more you can charge as you build your portfolio. And here's the thing: you don't have to be an expert to start freelancing. Even beginners can find work online. Start with something simple like editing photos, transcribing audio, or managing social media accounts. Best of all, freelancing lets you set your own hours and take on as many or as few jobs as you want. It's flexible, fast, and you're in control. Another fast way to earn money is selling stuff you already have. Take a look around your house, and I guarantee there are items just sitting there that could be making you money right now. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, and apps like OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace make it super easy to list your items and find buyers fast. Whether it's clothes, electronics, furniture, or books, you can sell pretty much anything. And it's not just about clearing out clutter. Some people actually turn reselling into a side hustle, flipping items they find at garage sales or thrift stores for a profit. If you're willing to take this a step further, try flipping items for profit. This could include vintage clothes, electronics, or collectibles. People are always on the hunt for deals, and you can deliver them while making extra cash in the process. Next up, for those who enjoy being outdoors, consider becoming a gig worker with apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Instacart. Gig work is an easy way to make money fast because you get paid as soon as you finish a job, and you can work as often or as little as you want. Want to make extra money on the weekends? No problem. Have some free time after work? Hop in your car and start delivering food or driving people around. The flexibility is incredible, and if you're strategic about it, you can make serious cash in just a few hours. If you don't have a car, no worries. There are plenty of other gig jobs that don't require driving. Sign up for services like TaskRabbit, where you can help people with tasks like assembling furniture, moving, or running errands. These jobs usually pay well, and they're great if you enjoy hands-on work. Another option to consider is renting out things you own. Instead of letting that extra stuff collect dust, why not rent it out and make money? Websites like Turo allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it, and apps like Airbnb make it easy to rent out a room in your home to travelers. Got extra equipment lying around? Apps like Fat Llama let you rent out electronics, tools, or even party gear like tents and speakers. It's an easy way to earn passive income. You make money by letting people borrow things you already own. Now, let's dive into a fun and creative way to make money: selling digital products. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a designer to sell online. In fact, you can create simple digital products like printable planners, resume templates, or ebooks and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once you've made a product, it's up there forever, meaning people can keep buying it while you're off doing other things. It's the ultimate passive income strategy. Even if you're not a designer, tools like Canva make it super easy to create beautiful digital products without needing technical skills. Whether you want to make digital art, business templates, or even online courses, the opportunities are endless. If you're a gamer or just enjoy content creation, consider making money by streaming your gameplay. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow gamers to earn cash while playing their favorite video games. You can make money through donations from viewers, ad revenue, or even sponsorships from gaming companies. The key to success is building an audience. The more people who watch your streams, the more opportunities you'll have to make money. But even if gaming isn't your thing, you can still create content around something you love. Whether it's beauty tutorials, fitness tips, or how-to videos, YouTube offers endless opportunities for people to make money by creating content. It takes time to grow your audience, but once you do, you'll be able to monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. You get paid for recommending products that you love. Platforms like Amazon Affiliates or Share A Sale allow you to sign up and earn a commission on any product you recommend. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel, you can include affiliate links in your content. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Affiliate marketing is a simple way to start earning passive income, and you don't need a huge audience to see results. Even with a small following, you can make money by sharing products you genuinely love. And let's not forget about investing. While it might sound intimidating, investing is actually one of the best ways to make your money work for you. Thanks to apps like Robinhood or Acorns, investing has never been easier. You don't need a ton of money to start either. You can begin with as little as $5 and watch your money grow over time. Whether you're into stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, the key to successful investing is starting early and being consistent. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a long-term strategy that will pay off over time. As we wrap things up, we've covered several simple, legit ways to make money fast in 2024. Whether it's selling things you already have, renting out your car, or starting a freelance gig, the opportunities are endless. The key is taking action and getting started today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Have you tried any of these methods or have your own money-making tips? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy hustling!